Prime Minister Modi extends full support to northeastern states affected by flood. Shashi Tharoor rejects Trump's mediation claim, tells US President focuses on Pakistan, not India. Meghalaya Assam CM level talks focus on border, flooding and joint projects. Chief Minister Sangma advocates empowerment for women and children. And relatives seek CBI probe into Indore couple case. The news in detail. As incessant rainfall continues to wreak havoc across the northeastern states, severe water clogging claimed 11 lives. According to the flood reports of Assam State Disaster Management Authority, 6 people died in floods and 5 others died in landslides. More than 5.15 lakh people of 22 districts of Assam have been affected by the deluge. Prime Minister Modi has also spoken to Assam, Sikkim CMs and Manipur Governor and has assured all help and support. Rescue efforts are underway with joint evacuation operations launched to assist those affected and provide possible aid. During the final leg of his US visit, Congress MP Shashi Tharoor dismissed US President Donald Trump's assertion that he mediated between India and Pakistan, stating that the American administration pursues Pakistan rather than India. Speaking from Brazil, Tharoor emphasized the difficulty of gaining attention in the crowded US media landscape, but expressed confidence in reaching key Washington stakeholders, including government officials, legislators, think tanks and media, to present India's perspective on terrorism and South Asia. He noted his scheduled interviews and public engagements, including at the National Press Club, as part of efforts to amplify India's message to the US.
Any persuasion by the American president or his senior officials, it would have been persuasion of the Pakistanis. They would have had to be persuaded. We don't need to be persuaded because we don't want war. America is a very crowded media space. It's the world news generator. And for them, therefore, our story may not be top of the mind, but if we can get the attention of those who care about South Asia, those who care about India, those who care about terrorism, we can get our message across very, very easily.
In a key chief minister level meeting held in Guwahati, Meghalaya and Assam discussed 3 major issues: interstate border resolution, urban flooding in Guwahati, and the proposed Kulsi multi-purpose hydroelectric and irrigation project. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, along with senior officials, agreed to task NASAC with conducting a satellite-based study to address Guwahati's flooding, with a report due in 3 months. Additionally, they agreed in principle to jointly implement the Kulsi project, with public consultations to follow.
Regarding the border dispute, as you know that in presence of Honorable Union Home Minister, we have resolved 6 disputed sites out of 12. Now, most important thing is to see that boundary pillar is erected in the places, that is the 6 places where we both states agreed to resolve the boundary dispute. Regarding Kulsi power project, today we have in principle decided that Government of Assam and Government of Meghalaya will jointly work on that project, will jointly commission that project, that is a 55 megawatt of power.
A program today aimed at empowering women and children. The event featured the distribution of mobile phones to Anganwadi workers, certificates to women in need of protection, and self-employment training certificates to traders. Innovative Eco H2O water filters were also given to Anganwadi centres. Checks were also presented to new beneficiaries under the CM's CARE program, and achievers from various children's homes were recognized. Addressing the gathering, Chief Guest CM Conrad Sangma emphasized the crucial role of Anganwadi workers and praised the use of technology to improve services.
Care to give protection, to support our pregnant mothers who need all the care that they can be given.
Vipin Raghuvanshi, brother of the deceased Raja Raghuvanshi, has demanded a CBI probe into the case involving his late brother and missing sister-in-law Sonam Raghuvanshi, citing suspected murder and kidnapping. Raja's body was found in a gorge near Waisaudong in Sohra, while Sonam remains untraceable despite ongoing search efforts by the NDRF, SDRF and police using drones. The couple had gone missing on May 23rd during a sightseeing trip. Gold ornaments worn by both are also missing. The family said the couple's arranged marriage was smooth and Raja's remains will be taken to Indore for last rites.
चाहते हैं मेघालय सरकार जो है सीएम साहब जो है उन सब लोग ही चाहते हैं तो यहाँ पे सीबीआई जांच लगाई जाए और सेंटर भी इसमें सेंटर पुलिस जो है इसमें दिल्ली से भी सीबीआई जांच लगी यहाँ पे जाए दो टीम लोग मिलकर सीबीआई जांच करेगी कभी तो कुछ मिलेगा हमें.
Around 27 employees of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council met with Chief Executive Member Shemborlang Rinja today to address concerns over a recent directive that downgraded their status to casual workers. Some employees also reported complete termination of their services. The CEM rejected their request for reinstatement, asserting that they no longer had a future within the council. Employees raised issues over the absence of formal job advertisements for years, arguing that if fairness was the priority, as none were recruited through a formal selection process.
cái đau bali cái đau thay in từ cầm ha mà nghĩ đau thì ai cũng nên cầm tay số là phát sáng mấy cái rồi sang là chính là mới tiếp đi bảo rõ như đây và đó là family đó là cái system bạn mình tiếp đi và tăng lên nghĩ áp gặp là cái gì để mình ta bạn một cái mình là sẽ phải.
The United Democratic Party in Meghalaya has not yet accepted the resignation of its General Secretary, Dr. Jamino Mautho, with Party President Metbah Lyngdoh stating the matter will be discussed in an upcoming meeting. Amid speculation of internal discord, Lyngdoh dismissed any notions of party dissidence, calling Mautho's decision a purely personal one.
Trong iba Jamino como General Secretary of the party by la Wengno ilagi resign como General Secretary pada Jongka party daka ba ipen pang ya ka dao shimet ka jong I klem dak tak mat yong yanu ru hapo Jongka party.
In the wake of a tragic accident involving a tourist couple from Indore in Sohra, MLA Gavin Milliamngap has highlighted the importance of tourists using local guides when visiting the area, given the challenging terrain. Calling the incident unfortunate, he assured that the government has set up a special investigation team to probe the matter, dismissing calls for a CBI inquiry. He also defended Sohra's safety, criticizing national media for labeling the region as crime-prone and reaffirmed that the area is safe with welcoming locals.
I'd like to urge tourists, especially the needy tourists who visit our state, at least to also ensure that when they come to this part of the state, to also utilize the service of the tourist guides that we have. Because we could also see the terrain that we have in Sora area. It's one of the most difficult terrain. So to go into the tourist spots, into the deeper part of tourist spots by themselves is not advisable. So I would like to advise them to also utilize the service of our tourist guides.
Sip Singh Memorial Government High Secondary School, Longstoin, inaugurated its Class 11 Commerce Stream Day Shift and Art Stream Morning Shift today, responding to the increased number of students passing the MBOS matriculation exam. The event was attended by Longstoin MLA Gabriel Walang, who thanked the Chief Minister for approving the new streams after his appeal. Walang urged students to remain focused on their goals. Now the weather report. In Tura, the minimum temperature stands at 24 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature at 32 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 64% and the rainfall recorded was 1 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature stands at 15.4 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature at 25.3 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 65% and the rainfall recorded was 4.8 millimeters. Lastly, in Joai, the minimum temperature recorded was 18 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature 22 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 81% and the rainfall recorded was 1.3 millimeters. And the forecast in Tura, Joai and Shillong say that moderate rainfall thunder shower is likely at most places. Before we wrap up, a recap of the headlines. Prime Minister Modi extends full support to northeastern states affected by flood. Shashi Tharoor rejects Trump's mediation claims, tells US President focuses on Pakistan, not India. Meghalaya Assam CM level talks focus on border, flooding and joint projects. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma advocates empowerment for women and children. And relatives seek CBI probe into Indore couple case. With that, dear viewers, we come to the end of the news bulletin. Do join us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, good night.